Hi, I'm Tracy with New England Low Vision and Blindness, and it's time for another episode of Tips with Trey. I have been visually impaired for over 50 years, in the industry working with low vision technology for about 2 decades, and I've talked to a lot of people. The biggest thing that pops up for all of us with low vision is feeling like you're losing your independence. I think about what's that one thing that's given me the feeling of independence the most. In all the years that I've had low vision, it's a desktop video magnifier. So if I was going to list tips, number 1, get a desktop, because it's going to give you the ability to see the most amount of print at once. You can write underneath there, you can put phones, iPads underneath there. I've got one here on my desk right now. I've got a recipe here. I can make the print as large as I want. I can change the contrast. As I said, I can write, fill out checks, all that good stuff, crossword puzzles. I'm so grateful I have a desktop in my home. It gives me the ability to see just about any print I need to in my home. So that helps me feel independent. I hope this tip helps. We're going to have a lot more to share with you. I'm excited about this series, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.